Hey guys, it's that time of week again. But I don't feel so bad this morning, so that's good. I mean, comparatively speaking. um, I got on the scale and it said I was down, so I won't be holding my breath, hopefully. I still get nervous. It doesn't matter. It's weird to have someone stand there and weigh you in. I mean, it's really weird's a bad choice. It's unsettling. It makes you aware all week long of every bite you put in your mouth, like, because you're going to be facing some lady who's going to say, you shouldn't have ate that. This is how you can tell you've been through a hurricane. And the car's right up against the house. Whoops. Speaking of hurricanes, we made it through that hurricane. Helene, I think it was called. I just want to say Helen. But man, that was a lot worse than anybody expected. We weren't even hit by it. Just the outer bands flooded the whole coast. And that doesn't usually happen. Maybe because we usually get hit by it, or we're on the other side. So we survived at our house. My son was not so lucky. His house is much closer to the water, and they got flooded. I'll show you guys some video of this week walking through the water in the house, and then their whole neighborhood was flooded. His car it still runs, thankfully, but it got water up to the floorboards, so that wasn't good. And he's been drying it out all week, trying to keep it from molding or anything. But thankfully, we're not in a low area, so we didn't have any flooding. But man, I don't know, seeing the news, it scares me for people. I feel so bad. Like, we don't want to get hit by it, but I also don't want anybody else to get hit by it, so yeah. It was a rough week. And then you got to try and add Weight Watchers on top of all that, like not stress eating. Everybody got McDonald's last night. I can't eat McDonald's the night before I weigh in. I don't really like McDonald's that much, so that's not that much of a problem. But at least we made it through. I think I might actually have lost weight today, so I'm not as scared as I usually am. So hopefully, we'll see. I'll show you guys some clips of my son's house. Watching the cloud bands go through. Just a little brush by from the hurricane. It's going past us, but we're getting a couple little wispies. He's holding the car door open with his foot.
There are those nasty supercells that are coming through, and that's kind of an updated timeline. So I think this is now the fresh model here. It's these guys, these isolated. Look at this. I mean, 7 o'clock tonight: Spring Hill, Bayonet Point, Tarpon Springs, Tampa, St. Pete, Bradenton, Sarasota, Port Charlotte.
10-4, I just closing it out.
You can put it back in the queue. We were unable to get to her. CI 17 Central, clear status 1.
I copy 22, yes, sir.
West Marion Business. Sir, I've got 3 calls down here. I'm working on this one right now. Okay. Give us 60 seconds and we'll start getting mobilized. Copy.
Known vehicle description. We also have a vehicle at 1107 West Marion, 2019 Toyota Camry.
People being rescued. Oh my word. That's Pop with his grandkitty.
That's right. She knows pure good when she sees it.
Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm back. Yay! It was lucky. I didn't write it on there yet, but it was lucky. I was down 0.4, which is sad because I thought my scale said I was down like 3 pounds, which I should have known was not right. But, you know, I got excited for no reason at all. But I did get this. So that's exciting. Down 25 pounds. Yeah, boy. Isn't that cool? I'm so excited. I'm so excited. At least I'm going the right way. It's important. It's important so I can be getting in and out of this truck because we're going to be doing stealth camping and all kinds of stuff. Can't be carrying a bunch of extra weight around. So, all right. Y'all have a good week. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for tuning in. Leave me a comment if you would. Encouraging comment. Like low calorie pizza comment. Love you guys. Have a good week. Mwah. Bye.